I don't know about you guys, but I love lip gloss, but I hate at the same time how transparent it is. I like a little bit of pigment, so I don't need lipstick or anything like that underneath. So I decided to pick up this K-Beauty FWEE Cherry Cola, 70%. You can get it in 30%, but I wanted more pigment. And, they make a variety of lip glosses and colors, but the combination of that cherry Coke flavor, and look how rich and thick this is. Of course, it's not going to go on that thick, but you know what I mean. Here it is, me trying it on here. I am really impressed with this. I love it. It tastes very subtly like cherry and Coke, not a lot, and it's not too sticky, but it does keep my lips very hydrated, and love this dark cherry color. And it says here it's volumizing, and I would say yes, it's very plumping, 3D volumizing. And the color, again, it's this very, it's a brownish red, kind of maroon color. A great way to darken lips a little bit, which is what I'm looking for. I'd prefer a more purpley undertone, but the fact that this is cherry cola is very on point here. I am really liking this. Here's to K-Beauty. Wow, they are just killing it. Recommend.